This 2025 Coachmen Freelander 21QSS is a Class C RV. It is located in Lakeland, FL 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2025 Coachmen Freelander 21QSS is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.